Alright, let's get something straight. When people ask, can we visualize the future? They're usually hoping for a crystal ball, right? But let's get real. Science does not do magic. What it does do, though, is offer some pretty wild, cutting-edge ways to predict the future. Ways that are actually grounded in data, probability, and believe it or not, a bit of brain hacking. Let's start with the basics. The human brain is a prediction machine. Neuroscientists call this prospection. It's the way we simulate possible futures in our minds before making decisions. The prefrontal cortex is the star player here, running mental models using memories and patterns. But as of 2024, there are some new tricks up science's sleeve. First up, artificial intelligence. In the last year, AI models have been trained not just to predict weather or stock trends, but to simulate entire scenarios. MIT's Future Map project, for example, uses real-time data to forecast supply chain shocks with up to 84% accuracy. That's not prophecy, but it's close to a scientific crystal ball for businesses. Now, what if you want to visualize your own future? Well, here's where it gets wild. In 2023, a study from Stanford found that when people used episodic future thinking, basically imagining themselves in vivid, detailed future scenes, they made better decisions in the present. Participants who pictured their future selves down to the shoes they'd wear or the weather outside were 38% more likely to stick to their goals. The trick? Use all 5 senses. Make it real in your mind. But can we go further? Some researchers are experimenting with virtual reality to step into future versions of your life. VR labs in Germany have people interact with aged avatars of themselves. The result? People become 50% more likely to save money or make healthier choices after seeing future you eye to eye. It's not time travel, but it's a real, science-backed way to visualize your future. Let's get a little more out of the box. Quantum computing is starting to shake up predictions. In 2024, Google's Sycamore 2 quantum processor ran simulations of complex systems like traffic flows and disease outbreaks at speeds once thought impossible. These aren't forecasts for individuals yet, but they show how our ability to map out possible futures is exploding. So, what should you do to visualize your future backed by science? Here's your action plan. Use episodic future thinking. Picture your goals in super specific detail. Try tech tools, apps with AI-powered predictions, or even VR if you can. Stay curious about new breakthroughs, because the science of future visualization is moving fast. Bottom line, while science can't show you the future with perfect certainty, it can help you see farther, clearer, and make smarter moves today. So don't wait for a crystal ball. Start building your own, one evidence-based vision at a time. This was 60 Sec University #179, brought to you by lepreuve.com, your source for nopal and pinole. Catch you in the future.